everyone, here we are going to show you some of the basic stitchings and these are very important for our day-to-day life. All you just need is a sewing machine and some cloth, and after that you can see how we are just sewing it properly. These activities are actually useful for our daily ways because we have so many issues with our stitching things, and you can see how we are making this actually the paper bag type of the look. Here we are making a cloth bag. You can see how we are just stitching it from all the four ends, and you can see it's somewhat rectangular in shape and it looks quite good and quite nice. Let's now see how we are again giving it the stitch so that it won't trim or it won't cut from any end, because stitching is to be made properly. Then you just have to make another fold as shown here. It actually makes it more stronger so that it can hold the weight of the heavy objects. That's why we are just giving it more and more stitch. Once you're done with it, you just have to open it and it looks so nice. You can place anything inside it. Let's now move further, and here we are going to show you another stitching technique. First you just have to take the cloth, fold it at the center. You can see now you just have to sew it from all the ends. You can just pause the video and then see it properly. You just have to be careful while you are stitching it because you don't have to hurt yourself with the help of the needle. So now you can see how we are stitching all these ends together. We have already made some of the markings in the beginning over which we have to make or stitch the things. You can even make use of the chalk to create some of the imaginary lines so that you will just start stitching over them. It's the best technique for the beginners because that helps them a lot to create such type of the things. Let's now move further. Here we are going to show you another type of the technique, how you can just insert a zipper for any type of the cloth. First, with the help of the marker, we have marked some of the lines over the zipper area where we have to make the stitchings, and after that we have folded it at the center. From the another side, you just have to trim it with the help of the scissor. As you can see how we are just fixing it properly over the zipper leftover platform that's meant for stitching. You can see how we have done this. It looks quite easy and quite good. It's now ready to place over the thing. You have to keep it. Now here is another technique of stitching. You can see how we are making some type of the pipings over this cloth that's pinkish in color, and it's actually from the portion of the kurti, what we can say neckline portion, and then you just have to fix it properly. This looks quite good and quite easy. Definitely give this one a try. It's best suitable for the girl kurtis. Now here we are taking some of the denims that we have trimmed at the center from both the ends. You just have to stitch it properly. As you can see how we are checking simultaneously if we are stitching it from all the ends. Now you just have to fold it again, give the another type of the stitch as apparent on your screens, and then once you're done with it, you just have to trim it properly. It looks quite good and easy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. These are all helpful for your daily life and for your daily routines.